Would you like to earn $5 every single minute? Then, this amazing website will pay us $5 each and every minute. We can get paid fast, and they have many withdrawal methods. As you can see, people from all over the world are getting paid over $5 every minute. Watch this till the end, and I'll show you step by step how to earn $5 every 60 seconds. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn free PayPal money super fast. You can do this from your smartphone, PC, or from any device, and this works all around the world. So no matter where you live, you can earn money from this website. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you how to sign up for free, how to earn money on this website, how to withdraw our earnings, and I will even show you a bonus website as well, and they will pay us $3 just to sign up. So keep on watching. Before we proceed, don't forget to smash that freaking like button and comment down below I love money. First of all, I want you to go to this amazing website. This is the website that will pay us free PayPal money, and this is 100% free. On this website, we can actually earn money by completing offers like watching videos and taking surveys. I know that many people don't like to take surveys because they are so boring and they take a lot of time. But don't worry, this website is not like that, and that's why I love this website. Their surveys are very easy and they take about 2 minutes to complete. But if you don't like to take surveys, you can earn money completing offers. They are very simple and easy. So, as you can see, we will get paid fast. They have many withdrawal methods as well, and that's one thing that I really like about this website. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your earnings via Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Tango, or even Bitcoin. The best part about this website is that you can even do this from your phone as well. It actually works better with your phone than with your laptop or PC. Now, this is how you can create an account for free. Click on this Join Free button. And then, it will bring us over to their sign up page. Right here, first enter your name, username, password, and email address. And now enter your address, city, zip code, and select your country. This works all over the world. It works in India, Nigeria, United States, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and any country around the world. Once you select your country, you just want to enter your withdrawal method. And then, click these boxes, verify the CAPTCHA, and click register. This is how it will look like once you created your account. As you can see, congratulations, you have been successfully registered. Now, I want you to take a look at this right here. We have already added your 20 cents joint bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. That is absolutely amazing. We just want to earn $1 to withdraw our earnings. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to earn money on this website. First, click on Earn Money. And then, as you can see here, there are many surveys which we can take and earn money. As I said earlier, those surveys are very simple and easy. Now I'm going to click on Popular Surveys. Once you click on it, you will see right here, these are the highest paying surveys that we can complete. You can complete all of them for free. So, take a look at these surveys. This one pays us 30 cents. This one pays us 30 cents as well. And this survey pays us 50 cents, right here 65 cents, 80 cents and 85 cents just to complete some easy surveys. One of the things that I really like about this website is that we can take surveys unlimited times. Unlike other survey sites, they have unlimited surveys. This is not the only way we can earn money on this website. You can complete offers, you can watch videos, and you can earn money by referring other people as well. Now, this is rewardingways.com. Once again, this is rewardingways.com. But don't go straight to this website right now, because I will show you how to withdraw your earnings on this website, and I'll show you a bonus website as well. How to withdraw our earnings. So, now I'm on the home page, and now click on Withdraw Cash. Once you clicked on it, you can cash out your earnings via PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. This is the bonus website that I'm gonna show to my amazing subscribers. This is the website that will pay us $3 just to sign up on this website. This is a similar website to rewardingways.com, but this website pays more than that website. As you can see, they also have many withdrawal methods, so don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account. You can use another option. This is squishycash.com. One more time, squishycash.com. Here are some payment proof. Many people are getting paid from Squishy Cash. So, this is how you can create an account on this website. First, click on Join. Then, we just want to enter some information and we can sign up for free. Once you create an account, you can earn money by watching videos, completing offers, taking surveys, and playing games. If you want to earn free PayPal money, those two websites are some of the best websites which you can use. The first one is rewardingways.com and the second one is squishycash.com. Now, I want you to know that these two websites will not make you rich. You can earn some extra money to spend on whatever you want. Again, you cannot become rich by making money on those two websites. If you want to make a full-time income online, this video is not for you, but I have many videos which will teach you how to make a full-time income online. If you want to watch them, check out my Big Money Online playlist. I'll put the link in the description.